Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about 4 marks important questions in in IP board exam. So this chapter name is Plant Kingdom. So in this Plant Kingdom chapter, mostly they will ask 4 marks questions. So I will explain only important questions. Remaining you read, okay? So here the first and foremost important question is difference between red and brown algae. So here మీరు రెడ్ ఆల్గేకి బ్రౌన్ ఆల్గేకి మధ్యలో వ్యత్యాసాలు రాయమంటున్నాడు, భేదాలు రాయమంటున్నాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ రెడ్ ఆల్గే. సో జస్ట్ మేక్ ఏ tabular form like this, and on one side you just write about red algae, and on another side write about brown algae. So just write. So it is 4 marks question. Just write 4 points. Okay. So on red algae side, photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and D, phycoerythrin. In red algae, there are 3 types of algae. We know very well, algae is aquatic plant. Okay, aquatic plant means the plant which is present inside water is called aquatic plant. So here 3 types of algae are present: chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae. Okay, green algae, brown algae, red algae. Okay, here in red algae, chlorophyll A, D, phycoerythrin pigments are present, and their cell wall is made up of cellulose, pectin, polyphosphate esters. Polysulfate esters. Okay, and food is stored in the form of Floridian starch. Sexual reproduction is mainly oogamy. Here in oogamy, there are 2 gametes are there: small male gamete and large female gamete. This small male gamete is motile, that means it can move. So the fertilization between small motile male gamete and large immotile female gamete is called oogamy. Okay, and on the brown algae side you just write chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin is present in brown algae, and cell wall is made up of cellulose plus algin, and food is stored in the form of laminarian starch, laminarian or mannitol, laminar or mannitol. Sexual reproduction may be isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. Iso means similar. In between similar gametes, if fertilization takes place, that is called isogamy. Anisogamy means dissimilar gametes. And oogamy, just I told you about oogamy. So if you write just 4 points about red algae and brown algae, you will get 4 marks. Definitely they will 95% this question will come. Okay, don't leave. Okay, so next question is differentiate between liverworts and mosses. Here liverworts and mosses, liverworts gurinchi mosses gurinchi tedal raimadu. These 2 are bryophytes. Okay, so in liverworts, plant body is thalloid. Thalloid means it is a group of thalloid means it is undifferentiated plant body is called thalloid. We cannot see roots, stem, leaves like that, like in higher plants. Okay, and gametophyte free living. And vegetative reproduction carried by gemme or fragmentation. Generally vegetative reproduction takes place by gemme or fragmentation. Archegonia, and this is female reproductive organ. Archegonia and Antheridia will develop on same or different thalli. Female reproductive organ and male reproductive organ, they may develop either same or on different thalli. Elaters are spore dispersal apparatus. Generally in liverworts elaters are present. Okay, and this is mosses. Plant bud is gametophyte, young protonema and adult gametophore. It is occurs by fragmentation, gemme, budding and secondary protonema. Archegonia and antheridia will develop at the apex of leafy shoot on the same gametophore. We know very well, antheridia means, archegonia means female reproductive organ, antheridia means male reproductive organ. So they develop at the apex means at the edge of leafy shoots on same gametophyte. Peristomial teeth are spore dispersal apparatus. Just now we have seen in liverworts elaters are present which helps in the dispersal. వెదజల్లడానికి స్పోర్స్ వెదజల్లడానికి ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఇందులో లివర్వర్ట్స్లో మనకి ఇక్కడ పెరిస్టోమియల్ టీత్ అనేది మాసెస్లో ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దట్స్ వై ఐ మార్క్డ్ హియర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. So these are the difference between liverworts and mosses. Just write about 4 points of each. Okay. So among these 2 questions, you will get one question definitely. 99.9% you will get one question. So don't leave. Read these 2 questions. Okay. Thank you.